Hello guys, welcome back to Civil Engineering YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel for daily civil engineering videos. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss the grade of concrete. So, grade of concrete basically represent two things. One is the mixture of concrete. It represents the mixture of concrete or the mixed design of concrete. And the second, it represents the compressive strength of concrete. Compressive strength of concrete. So how? Now I will show you. Grade of concrete is represented by M and some value. So I call it X. Now this M represent the mixture of concrete or the mixed design. And this X value represent the compressive strength of concrete after curing and testing it 28 days. Keep in mind that this is 28 days, not 714 or 20 days, but 28 days. So there are two things in grade of concrete. One is M, which represents the mixed design. By mixed design, I mean the ratio of the cement, the ratio of the sand, and the ratio of the coarse aggregate, or we represent it by C, S, and A, where C is cement, S is sand, and A is aggregate. So M represents the mixed design of the concrete and X represents the compressive strength of concrete at 28 days. Now I will make a small table and will show you the grades of the concrete. So let's start with this, with the grade of concrete, and then with the mixture ratio or mix ratio, the design mix ratio, and then with the compressive strength, of the concrete, and then with the compressive strength in megapascal, and then the compressive strength in psi, pound per square inches. So here is the grade of the concrete. So I'm going to draw it here like a table. So grade of concrete, I mentioned before that it is represented by two things, M and X. So I call it M5. It means it's a grade 5 concrete. So M represents the mixture of the concrete, and for M5 the mixture ratio is 1:5:10. It means that 1 is the ratio of the cement here, 5 is the ratio of the sand here, and 10 is the ratio of the coarse aggregate here, you see here. So this is the mixture ratio for the grade 5 concrete, and the compressive strength is always the value here at 28 days. Now this value is always in, keep in mind, this value is always in megapascal, or we can write in Newton per millimeter square. So 5 megapascal is the compressive strength of the concrete, and concrete strength in psi, if you convert this into psi, pound per square inches, it will be 725 pound per square inches. Similarly with M 7.5, the mixture ratio is 1:4:8, and the strength is 7.5 megapascal, again because this value is the always the strength in megapascal, and but in psi this value is 1087 if you convert it. For M15, so the ratio is 1:3:6, sorry, 1:2:4 is for M15, and the strength is this value 15 megapascal. In psi this value is 2175 psi. And the last one, if I draw if I use it M20, so M20 the mixture ratio is 1 ratio 1.5 ratio 3, and its strength is 20 megapascal again, and psi the strength is 2900 psi. So there are also different grades of concrete going on to M25, M30 and so on. But I just want to show you that the grade of concrete is represented by two things here, mx, where m shows the mixture of the concrete, and the other value x represent the compressive strength of the concrete at 28 days in the unit of megapascal. So this is the way how to represent or how to define the grade of concrete. Hope you guys understand, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for daily civil engineering videos. Thank you for watching our video.